If you're looking to learn how to submit a corporation tax return on Xero, you're in the right place. This quick Xero explanation will take you through the exact process and show you how to submit your corporation tax return efficiently. Before we dive in, if you're new to Xero, don't worry. Xero is a powerful cloud accounting software that can help businesses with a range of financial tasks, including submitting your corporation tax return. It's an intuitive tool, and once you get the hang of it, you'll find it makes the tax return process much easier. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you can try Xero for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Let's jump right into the steps. First, make sure you have your Xero account set up and linked to HMRC if you're submitting in the UK. Xero allows for seamless integration with HMRC, so you can file directly through the platform. Once you're logged in, go to the Accounting tab at the top of the screen. From there, you want to select Tax, and then click on Returns. You'll be taken to a page where you can see all your tax returns, including your corporation tax return. If you've already set up your financial year in Xero, your tax return will automatically be created with the information from your profit and loss statement. Xero calculates your taxable income, which includes your revenue and deducts allowable expenses, so you'll get an accurate estimate of your corporation tax liability. It's a huge time saver. Now you need to review the details. Make sure that everything looks right, especially your revenue, costs, and any allowable deductions. Xero does a great job of pulling in the data from your financial records, but it's always good to double check before submitting. Once everything looks good, you can submit your return directly to HMRC through Xero. This is done in real time, and the submission will be confirmed almost instantly. If there are any issues with the submission, Xero will notify you immediately, so you can resolve them before finalizing the filing. If you're submitting the return in a different country, Xero will guide you through the local tax filing requirements, and you'll follow similar steps. After submitting your corporation tax return, Xero will provide a confirmation number. It's essential to keep this for your records, and Xero also stores a copy of the return in your account. This makes it easy to access your tax filings whenever you need them, especially when it's time for audits or future filings. Now, here's the best part. If you're someone who's new to Xero and want to take advantage of these features, you can access Xero for free with an exclusive extended trial. By using the link below, you'll get bonus access to everything Xero offers, so you can experience how easy it is to file your corporation tax return, handle your bookkeeping, and so much more. To sum up, Xero makes submitting your corporation tax return easy and seamless. You can file directly with HMRC, track your taxes in real time, and always have a record of your submissions in one place. And don't forget, by using the link in the description, you'll get a free trial of Xero with all its powerful features. So go ahead and get started. If you've ever been confused about how to submit your corporation tax return, Xero makes it incredibly simple. Give it a try today and make managing your taxes and finances easier than ever before.